Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today we're diving into a countdown of the best-selling emission system products on Amazon. These products are essential for maintaining your vehicle's performance and ensuring it meets environmental standards. So without further delay, let's get started. All right, let's dive right in with number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling emission systems on Amazon. Introducing the Spectre Performance 4279 114 Push-In Breather with Tube. Imagine a world where durability meets elegance. This breather, triple chrome-plated, doesn't just perform, it shines. The meticulous steel construction ensures it stands the test of time, delivering both robustness and reliability. But there's more. The 5/8-inch PCV tube nipple is not just a component, it's a testament to precision engineering. Crafted from high-quality material, it guarantees seamless integration and exceptional performance, keeping your engine breathing freely and efficiently. Ever thought a push-in crankcase vent filter could be revolutionary? The Spectre Performance 4279 redefines expectations. It's not just about filtration, it's about maintaining the heart of your vehicle. Spectre's dedication to excellence is evident in every detail of this breather. It's not merely an accessory, it's a commitment to quality and performance. So if you're looking for an emission system that embodies strength, reliability, and superior craftsmanship, look no further. This breather is your vehicle's best companion on the road to peak performance. Ready to elevate your engine's efficiency and style? The Spectre Performance 4279 114 Push-in breather with tube is your answer. Let's dive right in with number 4 on our countdown of the best-selling emission systems on Amazon. Presenting the Spectre Performance 9781 Black 4 inches 90-degree boot. In the realm of automotive performance, space is often at a premium. That's where the Spectre Performance 9781 shines. This 90-degree coupler, designed for 4-inch diameter intake tubes, is a game changer. It's not just a simple connector, it's a solution to the tightest of spaces, turning challenges into seamless integrations. Crafted from high-quality PVC, this coupler isn't just about flexibility, it's about resilience. Engineered to withstand the rigors of high-performance environments, it ensures durability without compromising on performance. The included coupler and 2 clamps offer a complete package, providing everything you need for a secure and efficient setup. Imagine navigating the complexities of your engine bay with ease. This 90-degree boot allows for precise, space-efficient routing, ensuring your intake system performs at its best. It's not just an accessory, it's a strategic upgrade, a testament to Spectre's commitment to innovation and excellence. So if you're facing space constraints but refuse to compromise on performance, the Spectre Performance 9781 Black 4 inches 90-degree boot is your ultimate ally. It's more than just a part. It's the perfect blend of functionality and form, designed to meet your needs and exceed your expectations. Ready to elevate your engine setup with precision and style? Look no further. The Spectre Performance 9781 is your key to unlocking optimal performance, even in the tightest spaces. Let's move on to number 3 in our countdown of the best-selling emission systems on Amazon. Introducing the Spectre Performance 4299.75 inches Push-In Breather with Grommet. Crafted with precision and built to last, this breather features robust steel construction, ensuring unparalleled durability and reliability. Its 3/4-inch tube diameter is designed to fit seamlessly, making installation a breeze and providing a secure, snug fit. Included with this outstanding breather is a grommet, adding an extra layer of convenience and ensuring a perfect seal. Made from high-quality material, this breather not only performs exceptionally, but also withstands the harshest conditions, proving that it's as tough as it looks. Think about it, an emission system component that combines strength, ease of use, and top-tier materials. The Spectre Performance 4299 isn't just another breather. It's a statement of quality and efficiency. It's engineered to optimize your engine's ventilation, enhancing performance while maintaining the integrity of your system. So if you're looking for a reliable, high-performance breather, the Spectre Performance 4,299.75 inches push-in breather with grommet is your go-to choice. It's more than a component. It's a crucial upgrade that promises to keep your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Elevate your engine's performance with the Spectre Performance 4,299. It's the embodiment of excellence in every detail, designed to meet your highest expectations and deliver superior results. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling emission system products on Amazon? Well, don't let your engine stall. Hit the gas, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss a beat. Moving right along to number 2 in our countdown of the best-selling emission systems on Amazon. Introducing the Spectre SPE 4954 Performance 4954 Air Cleaner Riser Kit. Designed for precision and adaptability, this kit is a must-have for any performance enthusiast. It fits air cleaner and carburetor combinations with a 5 1/8 inch diameter neck, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Imagine the versatility. 3 rings included, allowing you to stack them for increased heights. This means you can customize your setup to meet your specific needs, providing the flexibility to space your air cleaner above chokes, linkages, and other components. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, the Spectre 4954 Air Cleaner Riser Kit isn't just about function. It's about optimizing your engine's performance. By elevating your air cleaner, you ensure better airflow, reducing obstructions, and enhancing efficiency. It's a small adjustment with a significant impact, proving that sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Think about the ease of installation, the convenience of adjustable heights, and the superior design that Spectre is known for. This riser kit is not just an accessory. It's an essential component for anyone serious about maximizing their engine's potential. So if you're looking to fine-tune your setup and achieve peak performance, the Spectre SPE 4954 Performance 4954 Air Cleaner Riser Kit is your ideal choice. It's more than just a riser, it's the key to unlocking your engine's true capabilities. Elevate your game, literally, with the Spectre 4954. It's engineered for excellence, designed for performance, and built to exceed your expectations. Now, the moment you've all been waiting for, number 1 in our top 5 best-selling emission systems on Amazon, presenting the Spectre Performance 5339 PCV Breather Grommet. This isn't just any grommet, it's a marvel of engineering designed for all valve covers with 114-inch filler breather holes. Imagine a component so precise that it meets original equipment manufacturer, OEM, specifications for fit and function. That's the Spectre Performance 5339. Crafted to perfection, these OEM replacement grommets promise an impeccable fit. They slide into place seamlessly, ensuring your PCV system operates flawlessly. It's not just about filling a gap, it's about maintaining the integrity of your entire engine system. Think of the precision, the reliability, and the peace of mind knowing your engine components are securely sealed and protected. What sets the Spectre Performance 5339 apart? It's the dedication to quality and the commitment to delivering a product that performs as promised. Designed for use with OE specifications, these grommets aren't just replacements. They're upgrades, ensuring your engine breathes cleanly and efficiently. Picture your engine bay with every component working harmoniously. The Spectre Performance 5339 PCV Breather Grommet makes that vision a reality. It's a small part with a big impact, designed to keep your engine running smoothly, preventing leaks, and ensuring optimal performance. So if you demand the best for your vehicle, the Spectre Performance 5339 PCV Breather Grommet is the ultimate choice. Elevate your engine's efficiency and reliability with this top-tier component. It's more than just a grommet. It's a promise of performance, durability, and excellence. Step up to superior performance with the Spectre Performance 5339, because your engine deserves nothing less. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the best-selling emission system products on Amazon. To keep up with all the top-rated items, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the products we covered today. Thanks for watching and see you next time.